First exercise. Dumbbell standing overhead press. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder level. Press the dumbbells overhead until your arms are fully extended. Lower the dumbbells back to shoulder level. Repeat.
In strength, now I'm the only one. Only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. Life destroyed.
Next exercise. Dumbbell Cuban press, V2. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand with palms facing your thighs. Lift the dumbbells to shoulder height with elbows out to the sides. Upright row. Rotate your forearms up to the ceiling, keeping your elbows fixed in place. Press the dumbbells overhead, fully extending your arms. Reverse the motion to return to the starting position. Repeat.
Can I be your superhero?
Next exercise. Dumbbell, upright shoulder, external rotation. Stand upright holding a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder level with your elbows bent at a 90-degree angle. Keep your elbows close to your sides and rotate the dumbbells outward while keeping the angle in your elbows constant. Pause at the top of the movement. Slowly return to the starting position. Repeat.
Oh, hey. It's the first time of today.
Rest.
Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero.
Next exercise. Dumbbell drag bicep curl. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand at your sides. Keep your elbows close to your torso and curl the dumbbells up, dragging them along your body. Squeeze your biceps at the top of the movement. Slowly lower the dumbbells back to the starting position. Repeat.
Superhero, can I be your superhero?
We about to turn it on.
Next exercise. Dumbbell standing concentration curl. Stand up straight with a dumbbell in one hand, palm facing forward. Place the opposite hand on your thigh or hip for stability. Curl the weight towards your shoulder, contracting your bicep. Slowly lower the dumbbell back to the starting position. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions before switching arms. Next exercise. Dumbbell standing wrist. Curl alternative. Stand upright with a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing up. Hold your arms against your body so that only your hands are moving. Curl the dumbbells towards your biceps by flexing your wrists. Lower the dumbbells back to the starting position with control. Repeat.
We about to turn it on.
Rest.
We about to turn it
on. Next exercise. Dumbbell, alternate biceps curl. Stand upright with a dumbbell in each hand length, palms facing forward. Curl one dumbbell towards your shoulder, rotating your wrist to a supinated position as you lift. Lower the dumbbell back to the starting position and repeat with the opposite arm. Alternate arms for the desired number of repetitions. Last exercise. Dumbbell One Arm Kickback. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in one hand. Bend forward at the hips until your torso is nearly parallel to the floor. Place your free hand on your thigh or a bench for support. Keep your upper arm close to your side and parallel to the floor. Extend your arm backward until it is straight, squeezing your triceps. Return to the starting position with control. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions before switching arms.
Turn